Good morning, my dear students. Myself Plash Biswas, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, JS College of Engineering, Kolani, and my contact number is 8296138040. And my subject is the Quality and Reliability Engineering, and the ME 705B. And this is the first lecture, the Introduction to Quality and Reliability Engineering. And the paper's name of this the Quality and Reliability Engineering, the course code ME 705B, and the contract hours is required the 34 lecture, and credit point is the 3. Prerequisite the course, general knowledge of industries and the workflow of this course, and the course objective is required the demonstrated approach and techniques to assess and improve process, product quality and reliability. And the course outcome is found the upon successfully completion of this course, student will be able to obtain knowledge about product quality and the understand total quality management tools and techniques, analyzing process control parameters and quality management systems, the access, risk and reliability of production system, and the introduction of product quality in this the reliability in quality and reliability engineering. And basically we have to require to this the lesson plan and the syllabus is given to this the module, and this is the first module. We have to introduce the different type of the production quality, the management of product quality, and quality control, quality assurance, and the different the roles of this the different gurus of this the quality gurus. Okay, and the introduce of this the first module, the introduction of product quality. And in simple terms, you can understand product quality as a characteristics that is further conglomerations of different features of fulfilling the customer's needs and maintaining the industry standards so the product does not include any deficiency. Because of your product is launched in a market, and also this product is competitive to the another the same type of products, and also without deficiency your product is launched in markets, and this is the product quality. There are the different factors such as raw materials is the depends due to this the product quality. Your raw materials is not so good, then your product cannot be produced in a good quality product. For this the raw materials is the very important regarding the product quality. And implementation of product technologies, and a few times we can see the different type of technologies is belongs, but the which type of technologies applied, and also your production will be the fulfillment, and including your product quality will be the high quality, and then this will be the very important factors for depending upon this product quality in this product technologies. And the workforce expertise, and in our production industry scenario in our India, and basically we can see the expertise is the less person, and due to the good product quality you have to produce, and also you have to the launch in your market, then require the expertise of this production industry. And without the good expertise you cannot be produce the good quality product, and you have to the control your production, then also you have to quality product will be produced, then the expertise is the very important. And also production related overheads, that like the overhead is the very important to calculate it, the which type of cost will be cost estimation, that's like your the product quality. And you have to reduce your the overhead cost, and also you have to transportation cost, and as like the raw materials to the product unit is a very the far distance, then the product cost will be the high. And also few times you have to the consider according to your the market requirements, you have to no consideration or the no compromise in our product quality. Then you have to require to this the overhead etc to decide the quality of a product. In this articles we will be divided deep into the world of product quality and try to understand its classification and how you can maintain good quality for your product. Because of the you standing in our world economy as like as the production industry according to your the good quality product base, the your product quality is the very good, then you have to survive in the production industry. For this the product quality will be maintained, and for this maintaining of this the product quality then required to this the management of product quality. The management of product quality is the another important things to survive our production industry depends upon the management of this product quality. You have to consider the seven components or the seven factors the management of this product quality. The first is the checking for the conformance. When a product is designed and executed, the manufacturer of that product will ensure that the product has met at the requirements, and according to the customer requirements you have to survive, you have to service your product. And for this this will be the meet all the requirements and also fulfill this product conformance. The product will be checked under different circumstances to ensure that the product has absolute dimensions and durability, and this absolute dimension and durability will be maintained proper way. Thus checking if the product is fit for the purpose. And the another thing is that you have to produce a materials or the product, then you have to fulfill the purpose of this customer and also this customer satisfaction, then your product will be the good quality product, and also this will be the survive in our industry. Then the product always required to this the fulfillment to this the customer satisfaction. So the product quality also comes into the consideration of the fit of the purpose of that product. The all the products that are manufactured in a company mainly intend to solve the environmental problems that is faced by the people daily. If there isn't any requirements for that product in the world, then the product is an utter waste, and there will not be a further either for the product or the company. And the paying is to the feedback. Basically the each and every product depends upon this the feedback system, and also the paying those person is pay to product, then his or her feedback is the very essential. Because of this customer in customer survive, and also you give the good feedback from this the customer, then your product is the survive in industry. Then the success of product is mainly based on customer satisfaction. So satisfy all the stream of customers with one product is also a more significant challenge for a company. Because of your customer is thus fully satisfied, then your company will be less challenge face on this the industry or the production industry. And to find the fulfillment of the customers, the company needs feedback from the customers to improve their product. Because of we can see the different type of product when it will be stand in our industry and at like the market, then these products the first time we can see the all is okay. After few days later, this type of products few the disturbance will becomes because of this will be taken from this the customer review, and according to the customer review, this company will be revive the different type of the lacuna on this product. For this, this customer satisfaction and as well as the customer's feedback is the very essential for surviving the or management the good quality product, and it is one of the crucial factors which decided the product quality. The negative feedbacks from the customers can help the company to improve its product and reload it with the missing features that are asked by the customers. By doing this process, the company and the product will evolve as per challenging needs of new generation. That's like in our different type of cell phone, we can see when the first time is launched, say like the MI Note 4 mobile phones, and after few days later, we can see the heat is generated when the charging will be occurred. Then this mobile phone is less effective because of this the heating is not choose the different type of customer. For this, revive this review, this mobile phone will be coming from this the fifth generation, that means the Note 5, and similarly this is the sixth generation, seventh generation will become in our industry. For this, the different type of challenging is come in for this new generation. The checking the reliability of the product, it is the customers cannot rely on the product due to any reason. The product quality of the product is low. That is the reason why the feedback and conformance are helping the company to understand the requirement of the customers, so the company can make and improve and reliable product that will allow the customers to rely on them at every use of it. Because of we have to require to this the checking at the reliability of this product, analyzing safety and security of the product, and because of the safety and security is the very important factors for this the management of product, because of it is the crucial to create a product safe and secure from the manufacturer to the retailer to the final customer. Because of in between this media, the so many hand will be changed this product to this the reach to the customer, and due to this region your product will be required to the fully safe and secure. If the product is neither safe nor secure, it can damage the whole reputation of the company. That means the whole reputation will be destroyed due to lack of safe and security. For this, the safe and security is very much essential. The product that is created by a company should have all the safety measure and security. Because of we have to the putting some allowances, because of the allowances is essential to reduce the defect or the damage, and so that the customer can rely on the product without any unease. And analyzing the efficiency of the product, and the efficiency calculation is the very much effective, because of it is the first and foremost consideration of a product. The quality of this product is mainly decided on its effectiveness. Because of those product is the less effective, because of this will be the less importance for this customer. If a product is not efficient, the customers can rely on the every time. When the feedback system is taken, each and every time the customers give some review and the efficiency is the low, then these customers always given the negative feedback, and also this negative feedback will be the defective to your company as well as the production system, that can slowly spoil the reputations of the product and the company law. So creating a product without maximum efficiency is the first and foremost consideration. The companies all streams always try to create the product with maximum efficiency, ensuring better user experience with the product. The user experience of a product is also essential. If the consumers find difficulties to use your product because of your complicated interface, we can see the one person is the easily available to use the keypad phone, but he cannot be used to the smartphone, and this smartphone is creating, or the operating will be difficulties for the first person who is the used to the keypad phone, and the another person he will be the easily accessible and easily operate to the smartphone, and this two person is the different parameters will be used, and also the in between of these two parts, that means the keypad as well as the smart, and this phone will be the very the user friendly, and also the product will be maximum efficiency the first and foremost, and the companies always face many challenges to create a user friendly interface for their product, and again this product will be better to the survive for our production industry. Second thing is that the quality control. The each and every product is comes in our industry, and in our the market launch. Before market launching the good product quality, we have to control the quality, and the quality is the very much essential, because of without quality this product cannot be launched in our market and also cannot be survived. The quality control is a process by which entities review the quality of all factors involved in production. ISO 9000 defines quality control as a part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements. This approach place emphasis on three aspects inherent in standards such as ISO 9000 on element such as control, job management, define and well managed process, performance and integrity criteria, and identification of records. The competence such as knowledge, skill, experience and qualifications. Soft skill element such as personnel, integrity, confidence, organizational, cultural, motivation, team spirits and quality relationships. And the inspection is a major component of quality control, where physical product is examined visually or the end result of a service are analyzed. Product inspectors will be provided with the list and descriptions of unacceptable product defects such as cracks or such blemishes, for example. And a few terminology and the approximate year of first uses and the description are given in this following table. Basically the statistical quality control defined in the 1930s, 30s, and the applications of statistical method, specifically control chart, acceptance sampling to quality control. This will be the descriptions. And the total quality control TQC is the 1956 is comes to the introduce the popularized by Armand B. Forenbaum in a Harvard Business Review. Articles and books of the same name stress involvement of departments in addition to production, that is the accounting, design, finance, human resource, marketing, purchasing, sale. The statistical process control is the introduced in 1960s. The use of control chart to monitor an individual industrial process and feedback performance to the operations responsible for that process inspired by control system. And basically this will be the defined and also the introduced in the 1960s. And the another is the company wide quality control, and basically the different type of company will be used to this the based on the company quality control. These rules will be introduced in 1968, Japanese style total quality control. And the total quality management, the in 1985, the quality management movement of the organizing in the United States Department of Defense that uses in part of the techniques of statistical quality control to drive continuous organizational improvement. And basically the Six Sigma is comes in 1986, a statistical quality control applied to business strategy organized by this the Motorola. And this will be comes in this the Six Sigma method due to control to your the quality. And the Lean Six Sigma is introduced 2001. Six Sigma applied with the principles of lean manufacturing and or the lean enterprise organized by Ford et al. In the 14. And basically this will be comes to the lean industry. And the another thing is that we have to the maintain your quality, the how we can be control or the evaluation your quality, then the evaluation of this quality control is required. The each and every places the quality control will be fast, and also this will be the stamping, then this product will be come out in our market and also launch the market. Then evaluation of this the quality control, quality evaluation, the basically this will be starting from the inspection. The first the inspector inspection the product, and also he will be found the different type of difficulties or the defect, and then operation techniques to make inspection more efficient and to reduce the cost of quality. Example, the SPC, that means the specific quality control. The quality control also this will be the detections and the finding and fixing. This will be the inspection or the inspector. Again the quality assurance, the planned and systematic actions to ensure that product or survives conform to company requirements. And this will be the quality assurance, prevention, stop defects at source, zero defect will be count, then this is the called the quality assurance given to this the zero defect, then this will be sent to this the total quality management, that is the protective approach. The incorporation QC, that means the quality control and the quality assurance activities into a company with a system aimed at satisfying the customers involve all organizational formulations. This is the total quality management, and this way we have to control or the evaluation of this the quality control. And the few consideration will be considered the according to year-wise. The first is comes 1960 to 1970 is then quality control. That means the critical success factors will be identified or the classified. That means the product testing and the statistics, workshop control and the complaints. And the another thing is that the critical success factors, this will become 1970 to 1980, that is called the quality assurance. quality assurance program is the first, and again this completing to this the quality assurance program, then process documentation and qualifications. This will be required to this the process documentation, and either this process cannot be run, and also the qualification qualifying all these marks, then this will be quality assurance and standard. This is called the quality assurance. And again the 1980 to 1990, this will be the critical success factor will be considered the quality manuals, and again the process manuals and the software quality assurance. The first will be considered to this the software quality assurance. Again the software quality assurance will be completed, then quality assurance everybody responsibility, and after completing the quality assurance everybody responsibility, then this will become to this the quality assurance standard and ISO 9000 to 14000. This will be called the quality management. And again the critical success factor will be considered 1990 to current times, and this is the critical success factors. Customer satisfaction is the first cases, and the second is the strategic planning, and the people and change management, and also the process improvement and inspections society, impact on society will be considered. And again the you have to quality awards, and again maturity model will be required, and that means this will be considered to this the prototype model will be introduced, and this is maturity model and also the performance measure, and then you have to the success or the total quality management will be considered in the 1919 to current times. And this will be read in this lecture, and also the how our student is the assessment in the semester examination. The basically the student assessment will be the two way. One is the internal assessment and the semester examination, and the internal assessment is obtained the 30 marks, and semester examination is come out to this the 70 marks. And the internal assessment the 30 marks is taken the two internal examination held for 1 hour duration for 30 marks, the during to this the semester, the during to this in between of the semester, that means the after 2 months later the first internal examination will be held, and again this will be held after 1 month. And during this times this 30 marks is the converted to the 15 marks, and also this 15 marks is taken the as a internal marks is the 15. That means the first internal and second internal are also we have to average of this the first internal and second internal, and attendance is gives to this the 5 marks for the students, because of those student is the attend class regularly then obtain the 5 marks, and the assignment is given to this the 10 marks, and the summation of this the internal examination, attendance and assignment, this will be obtained to this the total marks out of 30, and this is the internal assessment of 30 marks, and another 70 marks is comes in the semester examination. And again the next classes we have to discuss the changing quality concept and the modern concept of total quality management. Thank you.